guys, it's Nancy. I'm gonna do a quick craft tonight to make a gift for a student who's ending her practicum with me. Friday's her last day, but tomorrow we're having a little celebration. So let me show you what I've got. I've got this block of scrapbook paper that I got for $2 at the thrift store. It was a 180 sheet package, and it seemed pretty much to be all there. I chose a number of sheets that had very light neutral backgrounds, and I think this is the one that I'm going to go with. It's this one on top. It says, "When you stop and look around, this life is pretty amazing." I also have this picture frame that I got at I don't know, some thrift store for $1, or maybe I got it at a yard sale, I'm not sure. Anyway, so first step is to take the picture frame apart. So we just remove the glass. I'm going to use the glass as a template to cut the paper. My cat is crying. Why is my cat crying? Oh my goodness. Poor Gibson. Let me just show you what I'm doing here. So I've just placed the glass over the part of the paper that I want to cut out. And I got a pen handy here. There's no need to have any fancy cutters or anything. It's all going to be covered by the edge of the frame. I'll just cut this out. And when I put it back in the frame, I have to make sure that it's facing the right way for when the stand is holding it up on a desk, if that makes any sense. I will demonstrate. Okay, so glass back in, and the stand's at the bottom there, so we want the words at the bottom. We'll just slip that right in. Okay, so there we go. Next I'm going to add her name. And I collect these Scrabble tiles whenever I see one. Ooh, I don't like these ones. I think that's why I had them separate. I like the more traditional kind. There we go. So her name is Rona. I need an A. I need an R. I need an O. I need an N. I need an H. There aren't too many H's in Scrabble tiles. There we go. And they're more or less relatively the same color. Let's see if I can replace that O. There, that's better. Okay. Clear those over there. Alright, so I got a new glue gun. I haven't used it yet. This is my first time using it. And it's supposed to be a pen style grip, and it's leaking all over the place. So what my intention here is to use the Scrabble tiles to put her name like if she was a lefty, I would put them on the other side, but because I know for sure she's right-handed, I'm putting them on the left side so that they don't get knocked off when she's using this as a to-do list for her desk. So we'll just put a little bit of adhesive here. Try not to get any strings on our project. So I got this new pen, hot glue pen at Michael's. I think I had a 50% off coupon or something like that. Because we just never buy anything full price, do we? And you know, aside from the picture frame itself, you know, this is a really relatively inexpensive gift. Ow, I just burnt myself. Because the paper, I mean, I got dozens and dozens of usable sheets, and the tiles, well, I got hundreds of tiles. So I can continue to use those supplies. And the only thing I'm missing is a dry erase marker. So I can probably pick up one of those at the dollar store. All right. So, oh, poo. Has that ever happened to you? All right, let's try this one more time with fielding. Pull off the strings. Okay. Let's just make sure they're all on there. All right. So I will just pop my camera out here so you can get a proper look at how it looks. And there is the finished gift. So Rona is one of my social work students. She's just finishing her practicum and will be heading off into the profession. So I hope that she will remember her experiences with me every time she uses this message board to keep track of her to-do list. All right, take care.